guys, welcome to the Kanak Infosystem YouTube channel. In today's video, I show you how to customize the cart page in the e-commerce checkout flow in the Odoo. We will walk through how to inherit Odoo view and add new fields and modify the cart layout step by step. Now what we are adding, for example, this is our code. Okay, in this example we are showing the cart page by displaying additional two detail SKU and UOM, SKU and UOM. Okay, product code and product internal reference and UOM. This extremely useful for B2B website wholesale stores. Okay, so now how to inherit this one. This is the parent main view, and go to the default module website sale. You can see here inherit ID website sale, and this is the template ID. This is the template ID. Okay, and this is the XPath. Now copy and search it here. This is the XPath. So now I have added two more extra information after this. This is the after position. Okay, so now check it out. One product is configured here. This is the internal reference. Add to cart, go to view cart, and you can see UOM and SKU number in the cart page come from here. Okay, so now one more changes here. For example, bold it and save the XML file and update the module. Refresh it. So reflected here, this selected portion is bold. Now page is refreshing. You can see here bold. Now one more, let's remove the default description from here with this. Okay, so here position change, replace. So now in this case, this is the description. Okay, default come from here. Okay, so in this case, in our template, replace it the default description with this. Okay, so position change after to replace and update the module and refresh it. So in this case, this is the remove automatically from this with this. You can see affected here, reflected. So this is the way how to inherit and replace after, before. This is the positional, and here add your custom code, so automatically show here in the cart page, Odoo shop cart page. Thanks for the watching the video.